Hey guys, this is just, cause like a video of my Lego thing. I have absolutely no idea what it actually is, but I suppose it could be lots of things, like example, cause like for example, a cricket stadium, a football stadium, a spa, looks like it, yeah, but I have no idea what it is, so, cause I just like decided to randomly randomly build something, and I just got that. So yeah, so I started yesterday at about 6 in the evening and finished at about 8 in the night. So it took me around 2 hours, which is, yeah, pretty long time to even build something this basic. And that's using all my Lego blocks I've got, so yeah. So hope you like it. Yeah, hope you like it. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.